Alright, this is Jenny and Kayla about to play racing. Say hi, Chelsea.
Hey. Auto?
Hey. They're still picking their tracks and crap.
You're supposed to do manual, dude.
Look at. Oh, I was gonna look at your rides, but okay.
I'm gonna be the one who keep track of time.
You have to
Whose ride is this? And
be lost. I'm waiting for you.
She gets the nice, like.
I don't know what car you guys picked, but.
Which one's the gas?
Let's go.
On the right. Left. Right.
Ready, set, go!
Jenny, which one are you? Look at my ass.
Camilla, come here and tell me if this is good. If I'm like getting.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my God, Jenny does not know how to drive. Jenny, don't ever. I would never let you drive my car.
See the hands. I'm so close.
Kayla, you're beating me. No.
Look at the expressions. These are priceless.
Dude, you're supposed to take the shortcut.
I don't know me either. I'm beating you. Oh hell no.
Nitrous.
This is Chelsea.
Oh my gosh. Do you know the formula for nitrous? No,
Chelsea. Kidding.
Oh my God. That was lucky.
Shut up. Oh, there's I found the.
Yeah. Look out for cars.
Jenny, use your driving skills.
I know, right, Jenny? Come on.
Why?
Actually, driving on here is nothing to. No, driving in a car is easier than this.
Are you serious?
Yeah, this is nothing compared to driving.
Jenny! What was that? That's an Oldsmobile, man.
Hey, Kayla. Look at your ride.
Damn, I'm stamping, dude. Oh, I just beat you.
Hell no. Hell no.
Let me like.
I got overage.
Dude, I'm so mean. It might actually go like this. I don't know where it is.
It's the upgrade stuff that you get.
Look at the screen.
Dude, I so call next race.
Look at that. Look at that.
How do I? Where?
Are you filming them over here?
Yeah, I was filming the guy coming to kill me. Jenny, isn't driving a real car easier than this?
Probably. I've never drove.
She hasn't.
You haven't drove a real car yet?
She hasn't done behind the wheel yet.
You're crazy. You haven't even got your permit yet.
Hey, neither is Chelsea, so I don't feel so
That's
bad.
because I'm too young.
Hey, you can see your permit, like your driving
I
classes.
know, but I can't go behind the wheel.
What are you doing, girl?
Yeah, she wants the camera on her.
Run, Chelsea, run! Run, Chelsea, run! Still on?
that ass.
Look, we're gonna check Chelsea up and down.
Wow.
Who won? I'm sorry, I didn't catch it. Woohoo! Jenny won!
Finish though, you know.
I took last place. I took 6.
Ouch.
Oh, then you didn't win. Get out of here.
I beat her.
Alright, you can see one. Next